Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by exiting settings and scrolling all the way down. Now just System, Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. Over here go into Theme and pick Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, select one of those images by tapping on the best one for you, like that one, and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. Lastly, select Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply. I will find the best one. For example, that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, tap on Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. Lastly, click on Apply, tap on Home button, and as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!